Welcome to today's session. So today our question of interest reads, a village in Dundumwenzi has 5,000 people and 55% of people are males. The total literate population of the village is 3,000. Find the total female population that are illiterates in this village if there are 600 more male illiterates than female illiterates. So the few things that we need to understand when solving this question solution. So what we know is we have a population of 5,000 people, so of which 55% are male. So what we know is the number of males in this population is basically 55% of the total population, which is 5,000. So this one gives us 2,750. These are the male population. Secondly, to find the total number of females in this population is basically the total number, which is 5,000, minus male population. So which is basically 5,000 minus 2,750, which basically gives us 2,250 as the female population. So we know how many are male and how many are female. Then what we know is the total number of literate population is 3,000. So now in this case, we are looking at literate population. So let X be the number of literate male. Then let Y be the number of literate female in this population. So what this tells us is X plus Y should not be more than 3,000. So it should be basically 3,000. So when you sum the literate female plus the literate male, we are getting 3,000 in total. So this one we'll call it equation 1. Okay? Then, when you move next, what you are told is we have 600 more male illiterates than female. So, if I say let X be the literate, the way it is, what it means is let C complement be the illiterate male. So we know that there are 2,750 male, then of which X are literate. Then illiterate female, Y complement will be the total number of female, which is 2,250 minus the literate female. So the total illiterate should be male plus female illiterate. This gives me the total number of illiterates in the population. But what we know is illiterate male minus illiterate female, the difference is 600. This is what this part of the question tells us, the last part. It says if there are 600 more male illiterates than female illiterates. That's what that implies. So now, substituting for X complement, then also for Y complement. So what this implies is we have 2,750 minus X minus 2,250 minus Y. This should be equal to 600. So what this tells us is This one minus this one is 500. Then this one, which is x minus y, is a negative. So it's negative x plus y. So we have basically 500 minus x plus y is equal to 600. So collecting the like terms, this implies that we have minus x plus y is equal to 600 minus 500, we are getting 100. And this is equation 2. Okay, so since when this one crosses the equal sign, it becomes a positive number, a negative number. So it will be 600 minus 500. Good. So when we solve this with equation 1, which is x plus y is equal to 3000, so we can just multiply or sum, because we have negative and positive x. So here we get to 2y is equal to 3100. We divide by 2, so y basically is equal to 1550. So the female literate, the 1550. So how do we find the male literate? It's basically the total literate, which is 3000 minus the female literate from equation 1. So we have x is equal to 3000 minus 1550, which gives us basically 1450. Okay. Then, since we know this, then we can easily find the illiterate population. So we know the equation for illiterate female population is this one. So we just proceed and say female illiterate is equal to 2250 minus y, which is 2250 minus 1550. What we get basically, the difference is basically 700. So difference here is basically 700. So this is what the question is asking us to finding the total number of female that are illiterate. So this is how you deal with this question. So if you're interested in finding for male, so for male it becomes now x complement is equal to the 2750 male minus x. So what we know is 2750 minus 1450. You know the difference is basically 1300. And 1300, we got this 1300. 1300, we subtract 700 exactly, we are getting the difference, which is the 600. So basically, this is how you deal with this kind of question.